It's Sunday the 3rd of January and I'm just heading out to Filey on foot. Wait till that car's passed, because I'm going to do a little geocache hunt that's on the outskirts. Well, there's a couple actually on the outskirts between Filey and Scarborough, on the Scarborough Road, and I thought I'd go and have a look, and if possible over there through those bushes there's the cliffs which overlook the North Sea, and I've never actually walked back or been along those, I don't think. Might have done when I was really young with mum and dad, but I can't recall that, so I thought I'd go out and do these two geocaches and see if I can find them, and then maybe walk back along the cliffs. There is, just along here, if I just go pop back on here, there is one along here that I did. There's a fence just through those bushes, I'm not going to go all the way back, and there's a geocache there that I did. I think that will probably be the previous video. I did that a few weeks ago. So I am going to be walking along the main road. It is Sunday, so it won't be busy, but I'll bring you back when I get a bit closer. That's somewhere I've never been in Filey. Filey Bird Garden and Animal Park. I'm guessing it's more for kids, but it could be somewhere nice to have a look around sometime. Just show you the sky. As you can see, it's not too bad at the moment. It's been a bit tumultuous. There's a few heavy clouds knocking about, but hopefully I won't get rained on too much, or at all. Let's go for it all. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see that. It looks a bit dark on the camera. Well, that's where we're heading at the moment, about a kilometre away. I'm just walking along the main bypass road between Filey and Scarborough. This road was built somewhere in the early 80s. I remember me and my mate Andrew Jenk at the time getting on our push bikes and riding along it while it was still cordoned off to traffic, and we rode the full length. And it's recently been resurfaced, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, that's the first time since it was built. There's the roundabout, and we're heading up here. Hopefully you can see that. According to the GPS, I'm actually not that far away, just up ahead. Well, unfortunately I'm going to have to log this one as a did not find as a DNF, because I've been hunting for about 10-15 minutes and I can't see it. It's a bit frustrating when you can't find them. I don't know whether it's a human instinct or whether it's just a personal one, and maybe you geocachers can shed some light on this, but there's a part of you that just does not want to give up and almost turn the place upside down to find it. It's the aspect of being beaten. Grr. Right, so I'm back at the roundabout on the main road, and look at that footpath. I don't think I'm going to be walking through there. That's a bit wet. Looks like I'm going on the grass. And head off, see if we can have better joy with the next one. Brilliant, it's just starting to hailstone. Might get a rainbow though, which would be quite nice. Can you see the hailstones bouncing? I'm not sure if the camera will pick this up, but there is a rainbow up ahead. And who knows, maybe at the end I'll find a geocache. I hope the camera's picking that up. I think it is. I think you can see that. So it is up ahead here. I'm quite pleased because I was a bit concerned that there wasn't going to be a gap in the hedge as I was walking along, and thought I was going to have to go all the way around. But no, up here we go. Ooh, there's a path over there. Let's head onto that path, might make things a bit easier. Oh, that's very boggy. You do need good shoes for some of these. There we go, right. So I'm not actually that far off. According to this, I'm only about 140 metres away. Well, I'm pleased to be able to say I've actually found this one, and really easily as well. It's a really nice little log. I haven't had a look at it yet, but let's just go and zoom in. It's one of those things where there are things out of place like bricks and so on. There we go. Oh, and some snails, look. Nice. I have realised though I haven't bought a pen. Good work, Cal. Nice. Okay. I'm just going to return that and log it as a found but unsigned, and leave the snails undisturbed too. So that's the end of this little geocaching hunt. Well, thank you for watching. I have got some other geocaching videos on this channel, as well as other outdoor activities and lots of other things. So if you've enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. Thanks for watching.